Might as well be the abandoned E46 in the buy now. That's done a change today. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now, as you see behind me, that is my BMW E46 Touring. She is in need of an engine. Let's get this out of the way so you can see her. She's been sat here for a while. It's seen better days. It was filled up with a load of garbage, but I've emptied it all out because today is the start of the project, boys. We're going to be swapping the engine in the next couple of videos. I have got the engine in the shed here waiting, so I'm going to have to move and tidy up the shed. I've got some lights in here now. I still haven't got my electric, which is, well, is what it is. I'm just going to finish up wiring these, and then we're going to, what we've got to do, we've got to pump up the tyres. I've got to connect my jump box just to get the boot open, because on these there's no, really annoys me actually with these cars, is on my E90 it's got a keyhole on the boot lid, so you can still manually open it with no battery. This one does not, and it's very, very annoying. But yeah, so we're up here nice and early. That's the plan. It's got no oil in it, but it needs an engine anyway, so fuck it, we're just going to send it. Full send. Hopefully it'll be alright. I've already, well, I moved it out the shed with no oil in it, so meh. It's getting an engine, so I don't really care. I'm just going to wire in my other lights, just so, because the car's going to be there for a while and I won't have space, so I'm going to finish wiring them up. Even if I have to run it off the van for now, is what it is. I've been slacking, mate. You get fucking sort them out. But yeah, so let's stop jabbering around and let's get this car in the fucking workshop, boys. Oh, look at that. Turn this on. Oh, I'm just gonna crank it on 35. I won't let you suffer this. I'll catch you up when we're ready to start this beast. Whilst that's being pumped up, I'm just going to put some power to the car so I can open the boot so I can put battery in it. Hopefully this will work. Yes. Stupid tailgate. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm not prepared. I'll catch up with you when it's ready to start. Don't be here for a while sorting all this junk out. Oh, God. Let's see how this goes. We've got power. Oh, a bit early. Oh, she's running. No oil. Put it in drive. She's moving. She's moving. Live action coming at you. Gosh, it does not sound happy. Straighten her up a bit. Oh, I forgot we've got parking sensors on this beast. What a winner. Right, let's leave her there before she locks up. We've got space to jack it up. Plenty on that side. Oh, and plenty on that side. Because obviously, we've got to do stuff underneath. But happy with that. We've got plenty of space to drag the engine out. And then we should still have enough space Yeah, loads. So if anything, we could go back a little bit as well. Happy. That wasn't stressful at all. But she's in. The build starts now. Get excited for the old girl, because I was, then I just throw it in the bin. But I thought, why not just put the engine in? My goal now is to get her on 4 jack stands, get that front end off and the fluids drained. That'll be a massive achievement for today. Weekly videos, like I've been doing. Haven't been doing too bad with that, so I'm going to do weekly videos on this. I think I'm just going to do it in parts. So think of a name for this project and I'll write it down as the title. And yeah, look at it in here. This is going to be sick for when we actually have electric and when I tidy this all up. But it makes such a difference having actual decent light for the videos. But I think we can, well, I'll tidy this up after this video because it's here, there and everywhere. It's going to be in the way. But as you can see, we've got the E46 on the jack stands. I did do it a little bit higher in the back than the front, which is kind of annoying. It was really high on the front, but I'm going to climb underneath, drain whatever oil's in it because it's still pissing over my floor, and the coolant, obviously the gearbox oil as well if I can get to it, because it's got a cover on it. We can take this front end off. That'll be probably the end of the video. So next video will be everything underneath. Right, so we've got a number of different trees under here and odds and sods. It's very oily under here, as you can imagine. Just drain our sump again with whatever oil is left. Oh, there we go. So tiny amount. That's fine. So let that drain, and then up to here you can see this little blue monkey here. So what I'm going to do is with these quick disconnect power steering lines, which is not ideal. This one you can take off in the reservoir, but this one, the bottom one, goes to the rack. I don't really want to take that line off, but we're having problems. And I can't get the thing off without taking these off. Well, that bottom one off at least. Not fun times. Cracking on though. Lights have done. Jesus Christ! What was that? What was that? Oh, nice. So front end's all off, as you can see. The only thing we had to sacrifice was one of these quick disconnect lines. I'll just order a new one. Can't be that expensive. Probably just order a whole new load of that. But yeah, getting there. Everything is off at the front. Gives us plenty of room for extra activities. So next video we'll be doing the bottom side, so gearbox mount, prop and exhaust. That is it. Starting the engine swap and getting her back on the road. So get excited. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, what we should do with the Touring. Do we keep it or do we get rid of it? Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to keep up to date with the build, hit that subscribe button. We are 60 subscribers away from hitting that 1,000 subscribers. I will be giving away a 6 CJR Builds t-shirt and a sticker pack to that 1,000th subscriber. So that'd be sick. I hope you guys enjoy your weekends and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers and gone. Bye.
And I've been counting down